BJP President Rajnath Singh faces a dilemma over Modi's nomination as the prime ministerial candidate as he tries to build consensus within the party, pointing to signs of a possible Friday announcement. With senior leaders like LK Advani and Sushma Swaraj opposed to the idea of an early announcement, Rajnath Singh is likely to meet Sushma Swaraj later today regarding a decision.
मैं इसे क्लैरिफाई कर देना चाहता हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी में न कोई नाराज है, न किसी की कोई शर्त है। यह सब सारी बातें बेबुनियाद हैं।
Well, a reaction coming in earlier from Rajnath Singh today. Even a speculation is rife that LK Advani has refused to budge from his position opposing the announcement of Narendra Modi as the prime ministerial candidate. What our sources are telling us is that Rajnath Singh is likely to press into action his plan B in this situation. Plan B being that he may individually talk to all the parliamentary board members and take their consent before making a formal announcement to the effect. Several meetings, a hectic political parlays within the BJP since the past 2 days. We first saw emissaries of Rajnath Singh being sent to LK Advani's residence for a meeting. After that, we have also seen Rajnath Singh meeting MM Joshi, who is also opposed to the announcement. Navika Kumar, our political editor, now joining in. Navika, a lot of focus really on the meeting slated between Sushma Swaraj and Rajnath Singh later today.
Well, it is very clear that at this moment, Rajnath Singh coming to a final decision on the announcement on Narendra Modi. What we are being told is Murli Manohar Joshi seems to have had reservations but has expressed that he would go with the majority view of the parliamentary board. That is a significant progress that Rajnath Singh could have made with one of the senior leaders. LK Advani continues to be upset and adamant that this timing will not be right because it will hand over the advantage back to the Congress, which is completely ridden with issues which have come on a platter to the BJP. On the other hand, Sushma Swaraj continues to hold reservations. What we are also told is some senior leaders of the parliamentary board did meet with Sushma Swaraj late last night to try and convince her, and it is expected that Rajnath Singh will also meet Sushma Swaraj today in order to get her on board. But in all probability, what it looks like is that the BJP is getting ready for an announcement on Narendra Modi on Friday. Whichever way you look at it, it seems that Friday is the D-Day when the party will make a final announcement on Narendra Modi. The parliamentary board meeting can be called and that intimation will go later this evening after the timing is sorted out after Rajnath's meeting with Sushma. But it seems that it's on target and Narendra Modi will be named the prime ministerial candidate tomorrow after the parliamentary board meeting takes place in the capital.